Hey everyone, this is Saim, your crypto CPA from the Lone Star State here at Akif CPA. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your crypto losses into gains. And in some cases, you can convert this into cash or you'll be getting a refund. So let's get right to it. And because we need to do this before the year end, this is a loophole that has not been closed by the IRS and the Department of Treasury. So we need to make the best use of this right now. I know that a lot of you guys are hurting out there. You're holding on to crypto that is currently at a losing position. You don't want to sell that. You want to hold on to it because you believe in it. So why don't we convert this into gains and cash? And I'll show you how. So first of all, let's assume first get a list of all your crypto that is either short term, long term. This is just an example right here. Where you have an asset with a symbol and you have the amount held, you have the cost, and you have the current market value, and it's showing you that you are currently at a unrealized gain or loss. So what you want to do right now is basically before the year end, sell it and buy it right back. What will that do? It will accumulate a loss for you. For example, in this case, you can have a short-term loss of 72,000 and a long-term loss of 37,000. Forget the short-term and long-term in nature for right now. Just sell it, buy it right back, so you have the same quantity at the time, right? So you're not going to lose on the quantity because you believe in this token, believe in the crypto. So you sell it, buy it right back. What it will do is it will reset your window to a short-term capital gain window. But if you're in it for the long run, it doesn't matter what the window is because you're going to hold on to it for a long period of time, maybe a year or more from now. And what you would do is basically once you sell it and buy it right back, you would have converted a unrealized loss into a realized loss. And in crypto, we do not have the 30-day wash sale rule. In equities, we have that, where if you sell an equity and you buy that same security right back within 30 days, you cannot take the losses. You will see that on your 1099Bs. It's always over there. So now imagine, let's see where this will all go. So you take the losses, they go onto your schedule D. I'm going to go ahead and draw and I'll show you. This will go into the short-term side right here. This will go into the long-term side right here in one of these, right? And once they're in the short-term and long-term, and let's imagine for a second that you have no other capital gains. What will happen per the IRS rules are that you can only take a $3,000 net loss. So imagine for a second that your total loss is 110,000, right? This 110,000, you could only take 3,000 of it right here. Right there, and where you see it right here. You will take that $3,000 loss. It will show up right here. Now imagine if you have some W-2 income, it will reduce that W-2 income and potentially giving you a refund. And whatever the case might be. And everyone's portfolio is different. Everyone's tax position is different. Their tax situations are different. Some are married filing jointly. Some are single. Some have equity brokerage. But whatever the case might be, you're never going to lose this all. You're going to keep wiping it until you completely wipe this clean. So you could probably be in a position where you don't have to pay taxes for the next few years. And that would be absolutely amazing. So ladies and gentlemen, make sure before we lose this loophole, this 30-day wash sale loophole that we don't have in crypto yet. It's called tax loss harvesting. So before the year end, you have to realize the loss. And the way you realize the loss is you sell the crypto and you buy it right back. And this will do it for today's video, and I'll keep bringing you more videos and more hacks and tips and tricks before we lose this opportunity. So make sure you use this opportunity right away. If you need to get more information, contact our office. Make sure you like, subscribe to this video, and this way you'll have a front row seat to the next videos. And if you need any help in terms of amendments, and we do this all the time, we'll be more than happy to help you out, because what you need to do is get to the IRS before they get to you. Otherwise, once they start sending you letters, the ball is in their court. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. This is Syme, your crypto CPA from the Lone Star State here at Akif CPA.